Welcome back to Math Times Cool. In this video, we will be proving the perpendicular bisector theorem. So we have the two-column proof, so statement and then reason on the right. Okay. So we're given that L line out is a perpendicular bisector. The reasoning, it's given. Okay, now block that off. Okay, so let's just name these two angles L. Actually, no, let's name them A and B. We can then say that A and B are right angles. The reasoning, definition of perpendicular bisector, because a perpendicular line creates perpendicular angles. Okay, and then we know that this angle, so let's name this C, and then these two angles, we know that angle C, actually wait. Yeah, so we know that they're right angle, A and B are right angles, right? And then we can say that angle A is congruent to angle B, because all right angles are congruent. You first have to prove that they are right angles before you can say that they're congruent, because they are right angles. Okay, so we know that A and B are congruent. Okay, now we can say that angle C is congruent to angle D, because that is the, again, definition of perpendicular bisector. So we know that C is congruent to D because a bisector bisects an angle. So C would have to be congruent to D. And then, okay, let's name this point X and Z. So line XZ is congruent to line XZ because of the reflexive property. When something is congruent to itself, something is congruent to itself, and the reasoning behind that is, just common sense, but you would put in reflexive property. And then we know that, okay, so this segment is congruent. So what postulate can we use to prove that those two triangles are congruent? So we have one angle, a side, and another angle. So we can use angle, side, angle, because there's one angle, a side in between, and another angle. So angle, so we would say that so these two triangles are congruent. So let's say these two triangles are triangle, I don't know, let's do like N, triangle N, and triangle Z, or let's see, anything really. Let's do K. So triangle N, which is this triangle, and triangle K. So triangle N is congruent to triangle K. The reasoning behind that would be angle, side, angle, because there's one angle, a side in between, and another angle. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.